15 minutes. Should do it. Psst. You have to email Marie. You have to give her all those dates for the next 3 months. You have to do it. You've got a script, 2 more episodes as well. Find that soundtrack. There's so much you need to do. You don't have time for this right now. You don't have time. There's no time for this. You have to. Itchy nose, itchy nose, itch my nose, itch my nose, itchy, itch, 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 scratch, 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 itching, 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 itching. You have to itch it, it's scratching, itch it, itch it, itch it. The scratch is going nowhere. You have to scratch it now. Forgot to take a selfie. Come on, do it now. Do it now. Take a selfie, take a selfie. You've got to show everyone how mindful you are. Come on, take the selfie, take the selfie, take the selfie, take the selfie, take it now. Come on. You know you want to. It's another cash morning, you know. Casually meditating like I always do. Hashtag power of now. Hashtag I'm so zen. Hashtag I'm so mindful. Hashtag mindful guru. Take it now. No one will know you meditate if you don't take the selfie now. Hashtag living the dream. Hashtag meditators of Insta. Hashtag mindfulness guru. This is so annoying. You're rubbish. Complete waste of time. You're not very good at this. You're wasting your time. Rubbish. You can't do this. You're not very good at this. This is rubbish. You're never going to get it. You're not going to do it. You can't do it. You're never going to get it. 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 Woo, 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 woo. Never going to get it. 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 Stop. That was the chicken. Stop. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to... Shut the f*** up. Have to write that one sentence. You have to write that one sentence. Put it in the diary and tell me later. Hey, it's Anise here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please click like and remember to subscribe. Click the bell as well so you get notifications every Wednesday. Coffee and Wisdom, sharing a bit of fun and some insights to help you find more joy in your life. Yeah, just a bit more, just a little bit more joy. Yeah, we could all do a bit more joy. Please share this video. You never know, someone might resonate with it the way you did. Thanks for watching.